Alright, I'm going to show you a really simple effect. Okay, just going to explain it. This is a really old effect, and I believe it's from Melbourne Christopher, but it's a very old effect. I'm just going to explain it. When you start off, you have 3 cards in your pocket. They would be in your pants pocket, but I'm just going to work with this pocket for now. These are just 3X cards. It doesn't matter what they are. And then with these 3 cards, what I do is I use partial stack from the 8 Kings Threaten to Save 95 Ladies for 1 Sick Knave, which is found in Amateur Magician's Handbook by Henry Hay. But you can just use any 3 cards that you memorize. I'm just using 8 of Clubs, King of Hearts, and 3 of Spades because that's the first 3 cards of the stack, so it's easy for me to remember. And then I just take out these 3 cards out of the pack, and I say, I want you to think of one. Okay, they can think of any card they want. So for this example, let's say they thought of the King of Hearts. Okay. They can shuffle the cards, they can do whatever they want. They're just going to look at them, they're going to think of one. So for this example, like I said, it's going to be the King of Hearts. You're going to put the 3 cards in your pocket, okay? But you already have 3 in there. Now if you're working with the pants pocket, you can use the idea from John Cornelius of having a handkerchief where you can show your pocket empty. I like that idea. I would do that with this. But for this, I'm just using this pocket here because I'm seated. So they wouldn't know that there's cards in here because they would actually be in your pocket. So for this explanation, you know, this is not the way I would do it, but I'm just showing it. So there's 3 cards in here, unknown. They think of a card. Let's say it was a King of Hearts. You put the 3 in here, okay, and you put it in your pocket. And then you say, I'm going to try and find your card. Then you're going to take out one of the X cards, okay. I'm not going to show it, okay. You put it away in the deck, and then you dig again, take out another one. Then you say, these 2 are not your cards. So these would actually be X cards, so what you'd do is you'd just put those back inside the deck and cut the deck because you don't want them to look at what they were. Now, you left in my pocket, what I actually have is that 4th X card, and then I have the partial stack, right, of 8, King, and 3. So they could name anything 8, King, or 3, right, if they thought of the King. You're only supposed to have 1 card in here, and this would be in your pants pocket, so then you just you tell them to, for the first time, to name your card, and then when they tell you what it is, you would take that out. Then you would use the John Cornelius handkerchief, you know, in your pocket. You put a handkerchief in your pocket, and you basically looks like you're taking your pocket and turning it inside out, but you're pulling out your handkerchief. That's because you would have these other 3 cards left, so that would be a way to show your pocket empty. So it's a really, really strong thought of card to pocket effect. So I hope you like that. That's a simple beginner tutorial for today. If you'd like to get access to the premium magic, go to promagicart.com. Thank you very much.